marshmallow in the microwave.
Go.
Alright. How long should I put it in? Let's do 50 seconds. No way.
Can't really see it, babe. It's getting bigger. 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 Oh no. It's getting bigger. Oh gosh. It's getting bigger. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's magnificent. Ew.
Ew.
That does not look appetizing.
No.
It looks like, hang on, look at it again. Looks like a creature inside of there. Ugh. How's it taste, James? Try
I'm
it.
not trying it.
Try it. It's just a
No.
marshmallow.
Trying. Hold on. There might be chocolate.
They're old marshmallows. Here.
I'm not trying it. I'm like,
Is there chocolate inside of them? There is.
no, there's not.
Ew.
Try it.
No.
Try this one.
Ugh.
What does it taste like?
Not good.